If you've been looking for a high quality titanium watch band for your brand new Apple Watch that's not going to cost you an arm and a leg, I have another great option for you. Now this titanium watch band actually seems to be a new upgraded version to an older band that I've been actually using on my Apple Watch Ultra ever since I got it, and it's also made by LDFAS. I absolutely love these bands, and I know you guys will too. And I've been using LDFAS's watch bands on every single Apple Watch I've ever had, and I absolutely love them. They're an excellent value, like I said before. They're high quality, because some of these other titanium watch bands out there can cost up to $250 or more. Why would you spend that much money when you can get a high quality titanium watch band from LDFAS for only a fraction of the price? And if you guys want to pick this up, I will be putting a link in the description. And if you guys like me and you want to support my channel, please use those links because it helps me keep purchasing products to do reviews to you guys. Now, I will be showing you how to size this band, which is super easy, by the way. And I'm going to be showing you the differences between the old version and the new version and why you might actually want to pick the new version up instead. So here are the two watch bands side by side. This is the older LDFAS that I've been using on my Apple Watch, and this is the newer watch band. As you can tell right off the bat, the newer watch band looks a lot sleeker, and the links have a beveled edge, which gives it a really nice look. Now, if we turn these watch bands over, you can see another difference between the two. As you can see on the new watch band, it's got these little switches on the links, and that makes it super easy to size for your wrist, whereas the older LDFAS band doesn't have any of those switches, so you're going to need like a little punch or something to take the pins out to properly size this watch band. It's doable, but if you don't have the tools to do it, it's going to be a lot harder for you to do. And the third difference is in the little buckle here. As you can see from the top, it has more sleeker buttons on the side that you push in to undo the buckle. And if we undo each buckle here, you can see the other difference. The older watch band has this much thicker piece on it, and the newer watch band has this much sleeker, more solid buckle. So when you put it together, it clips nice and easy in place, and it's much thinner. Whereas the older watch band still clips in place pretty easy, but you have a much thicker piece underneath. And if we take a look at the bottom of the watch band, as you can see, it's got titanium engraved inside the little clasp. So now I'm going to show you how easy it is to size this watch band. Now for me, I only need to take 2 links out to properly size it for my wrist. And if you have an even number of links, you want to take out an even number from each side. So I only have 2 links to take out. So I'll take a link out from the top and the bottom just to keep the watch band nice and even. Now if you want to take apart the band, it's very easy to do. All you need to do is press over one of these little switches here, and the band comes apart just like that. Then if you want to put the links back together, it's also very easy to do. Just make sure you put the little pin that doesn't have the switch down first. Rest the other side on top of the other link. Press over the little button and then put it into place, and you're all set. Now before we install this on the watch to see how good it really looks, let me tell you really quick about our sponsor, Ekster. If you or someone you know has a wallet big enough to take down a Puma and you're looking for something slim and next gen, check out Ekster. They make premium wallets using materials such as carbon fiber, aluminum, and leather. You can even get ones that you can put an AirTag into so you'll never lose your wallet again. They're really slim and have a really cool feature that presents your most used cards at the press of a button. They also make some really high-end laptop sleeves and bags, such as this Weekender bag here. It has an integrated shoe compartment, a concealed padded compartment for your laptop or tablet, numerous inner compartments, and it's made of premium rip-resistant canvas and Vancetta Italian leather. But don't waste time, because right now they have a sale going on where you can get up to 40% off. Just use my offer code HIGHTECHCHECK. I'll put a link in the description if you want to know more. Now, one really important thing when you're installing this watch band is you want to install both sides at the same time. Do not push one end in all the way and then install the other end, because it's going to twist the metal band. So what you want to do is open up the band just like this, install one end just maybe like a quarter of the way, then take the other side and do the same thing. Start it off with maybe like a quarter, and then you're going to want to push both these in kind of at the same time so it doesn't twist up the band. Just like that. So I think this band matches up really nice with the titanium of the Apple Watch Ultra. Looks really nice. Let's go ahead and see how it is on my wrist. Very nice indeed. Goes on really smooth, looks really nice. Now if you want to undo those clasps, all you need to do is press both the buttons in at the same time and the little clasp comes apart just like that. And this band is really secure because the clip will not come apart just by pressing one of these buttons in. You need to press both of them in. So if your arm or something comes in contact with one of these buttons, the watch band is not just going to come apart. And it also has a really nice, satisfying, smooth clip. The bottom part of this band looks super clean and the buttons are very easy to press to undo the little clasp here. It looks very high end and it's very solid as well. And as you can see, I do have a lot of hair on my arm and the band does not catch any of my hair whatsoever. So if that was a worry for you, it's a non-issue. So again, if you guys are looking to dress up your Apple Watch with a really nice titanium watch band, I would definitely go ahead and tell you to check out LDFAS's watch bands because again, they're really high quality at an excellent price. And if you missed my other video on LDFAS's titanium watch band, you can click on that at the end of this video. So again, I will be putting a link in the description in case you guys want to pick it up yourself. And if you guys like me and you want to support my channel, please use those links because it helps me keep purchasing products to do reviews to you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that little notification bell to let you guys know when I put out new videos. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a great day and I'll see you in the next one. Later.